Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin this ASMR cooking demonstration or video today, I wanted to talk about this recipe really quick. Basically, this is a butternut squash soup that my sister taught me how to make. She is a chef and she's worked in fine dining. This is like fancy restaurant quality butternut squash soup. So it's going to be very rich. I mean, I'm going to use a whole stick of butter. So I'm just gonna go over the ingredients really quick. She would make this for us all the time because this is about the time she would come and visit home. So she taught me how to make this so we could just do it ourselves. But obviously you need a butternut squash, one small onion like this, to this size is perfect, a whole stick of butter, and we're going to divide this and use it at different times. And you need chicken stock. I don't have stock, so I'm going to use bouillon, and heavy cream will be added as well at the end. And then seasonings, she recommends using salt and white pepper, but I might use adobo. I don't know how I'm feeling yet, but I might use it because I made this whole new batch. Might try it to see what it tastes like. And then to accompany it as like little hidden treasure, I'm gonna have chorizo on the bottom. That's what she recommends using. Also, we'll top it with some sour cream and red pepper flakes, and then typically she has us use pepitas and fry some sage. I don't have either of those, so she suggested maybe I try cashews, like crushing cashews in it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I have been craving this, and the air outside, really crisp, chilly day, and this just sounded like a really good idea for us today. So I'm gonna get into making it, and I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for being here and supporting and checking out my videos. Have a great day.